Dad, you always bring me to nature. Why do you love nature?
Nature, my son, is half of life. It provides us with oxygen. Therefore, we must take care of it. Let's not throw anything that burns so that the tree remains joyful and loves humankind. And when it loves us, it thanks us for taking care of it and not damaging it or letting it burn.
I understand. Father, the forest is something precious that must be cared for. From today, I will protect the forest. I love the forest.
Good, my son. And here's another piece of information about the forest. The forest's colors, air, and open spaces are soothing to the eyes, and that's the best medicine for the eyes. The forest is a blessing, just like our home. We should cherish it.
Yes, Father, today I understood the value of the forest. It is a part of our lives. We breathe because of it, and we must protect it.
Yes, my hero, that's how I love you. Now say goodbye to the children.
Goodbye, children. Take care of your nearby forests, so that the trees may love you.